TikTok is one of the most popular short video platform. In this video, you'll get to know how you can add text to speech on your TikTok videos. First, you need to open TikTok app, launch the TikTok app on your device and either record a video or you can upload it from your own gallery. Now, after recording or selecting your video, you have to tap to the text AA icon in editing menu. Now enter the text you want this TTS feature to read aloud. Now, once you have added position to your text, tap to text box and you'll see a pop-up menu with options like text to speech. Tap on it and enable the TTS feature. If TikTok offers multiple voice options, you can choose your preferred one. Some versions of TikTok allow to pick between TTS voices and accents. Now use the text timeline editor to control when the text appears and the speech happens during the video. Now review your video and if that sounds right, then next to proceed and post your video. And that's how you can add text to speech on your TikTok videos. I'll see you in the next one.